10 mind-blowing social media hacks in 60 seconds. 1. Use eye-catching thumbnails with bold text and contrasting colors to grab your audience's attention. 2. Post during peak engagement hours to maximize your reach. Check your analytics to find the best times. 3. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to tap into their audience and boost your visibility. 4. Use popular and relevant hashtags to increase your content's discoverability on platforms like Instagram and Twitter. Some text goes here. 5. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Build a loyal community. 6. Create shareable content that resonates with your audience. Think memes, infographics, and short videos. 7. Run targeted social media ads to reach new audiences and drive conversions. Some text goes here. 8. Use analytics to track your performance and optimize your strategy based on data-driven insights.